Model, 2015 VAUXHALL VIVARO L1 Diesel 27001, 1.6CDTI BiTurbo 120PS ecoFLEX Sportive H1 van up and over tailgate Minter non-runner Starstruck. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 156,688. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6CDTI BiTurbo S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, timing chain has snapped. Engine will need repairing or replacing. This van is well worth your time. Its spotless has been looked after, looks brand new. The right person for the job will buy this quick. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, air con, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5.